chapter 26, part F. You know, some men, they have a habit of, whenever they see a beautiful girl, and they just have an habit of asking, oh, it seems like, I have seen you somewhere. And there was a guy like this. Remember, there was a guy like this, and he has a habit of asking or telling girl, it seems like I have seen. And that guy, so there was a beautiful girl going on this cart road again, right? And the guy say, ma'am, it seems like that I have seen you somewhere, and also seems like that I have talked to you before. And the girl said, oh yeah, you're absolutely right. You definitely must have seen me, because I am a nurse in a mental hospital. And you must be my patient before, in the past. And then we go to the question number 23rd. You operate a small real estate office and need to replace your office printer. You typically print large quantity of black and white documents. Which of the following printer would be best suited for your office? So basically, if you want to print large number of listings, large number of papers, right, and or notes for the school, so what kind of printer you have? You should have a laser printer. This is number B. And then go to question number 24. The MLS is an important program for a real estate salesperson. Which of the following best describes the MLS? So MLS means Member Listing Services. So once you become a realtor, so basically you will get an ID, then you can access the board where you work, and you can access the web forms, and what does the MLS does? So when you list a property, it goes to all the realtors, and all the real estate related topics are shared among the realtors. So its answer is D. A site that pulls together information on real estate topics with a focus on real estate listing. So their main focus is the real estate listings, and also they talk about the real estate topics. So it's D. So we go to the question number 25. The biggest advantage of web-based email is. So what's the advantage? If you have an email, you save on realty at yahoo.ca or Rupinder Daveshwar at century21 apex.ca. What's the biggest advantage? That you can go anywhere in the world, you can go on any computer, and then you can get your information, you can get into. So that's the biggest advantage. So you can access your email from any internet connected computer. Just D. 26. The main advantage of a portable document file PDF is. So portable document file PDF, what do you mean? Sometimes some people send you the information in PDF file. So basically you need to have that software to open that file, and it means you can see the document with the exact layout intended by the author. So answer is C. So basically whatever the sender want to send you, and you can open in the same layout, the layout which he has sent you in. So 26 is C. And then we go to 27. One simple, effective and reliable method of protecting your computer against viruses is to use proven antivirus software. Many antivirus programs include an auto update feature. So in order to protect your computer, you need to have antivirus. And so what do we call this auto update feature? A. Instruct the program to download profiles of new viruses from the manufacturer's website. So that's true. So it gives the instruction to download all the profiles of new software, new viruses from the manufacturer's website. So that's true. So it's A. And that's it for this part.